Hello, my name is Alejandra Cuevas. My favorite city in my country is Cartagena. Is the tourist and very welcome. The city streets are very beautiful and the view of the sea is magic. My favorite restaurant in my city is and the artisanal foods place we call modern delicious and delicious and the healthy unlike on the fast food place I have now and their food is very spicy and my favorite most in the short of the happiness is the has as very important message on love and perseverance to achieve important things in life. Thank you.